Alright, so here we go. We've got our next project. This is another Tonka truck, but it's like a front end loader. It's got a arm on the front of it here with a bucket and a handle. It looks pretty old, pretty tired. So this one should be okay to get these caps off the wheels, and the wheels will come out. I'll hit up the plastic, clean it up and see what it comes up like. So I've got the wheels off. Just take these little clips off the end of the axles. There's probably a tip to it. I can't tell you what it is. All I did was just use pliers and multi-grips and flick them off. Now these wheels, these centers come out, so you can push them out. So they push them from the inside out. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to sit these in boiling water just for a little while, and then what it does is it just softens up the plastic and hopefully brings a little bit of the blackness back into it. You can see here, most of this, you just hit it with a heat gun and see what it comes up like. Alright, I'm just going to make sure that I do a before shot. So I've pulled everything off, the body, the crane, the top of the cabin, and you can see the plastic here is pretty deteriorated, so I'll see if we can get that up. Alright, and I just want to show you this as well too. So this is the scoop. So this is a before shot. Something's going on here. And we'll get this sorted and cleaned up. So I'm just going to show you the scoop as well too, because it's pretty beaten up and been well worked over in here, but I'll see how this comes up once we straighten it out. So let me give you a bit of a rundown of where I'm up to. So I've cleaned most of these things up, and I've just I've sanded all the metal bits, and I've just hit it with a little bit of primer. I'm going to sand them, do a final sand today, and we'll paint them up. This is the plastic body. It's come up all right. I don't know whether you remember the before shot, but that was all greyed, so I've hit it with the heat gun. It's come up all right, and so there you go, there's all the bits. So we'll get the metal sprayed up and we'll see what it comes up like. So this is the bucket off the Tonka truck, and as you can see I've just sprayed it up, hit it with some black matte paint, but have a look at this. I don't know whether you noticed, so it's got a little lug on this side and it's all busted off on this one. So what I'm going to do is I'll try and make up a part and just rivet it on, and I'll show you once we're finished. Alright, so I've got all the parts laid out, so here we go. These are all been repaired, cleaned up as best as I can. These have been repainted, and I've just put some white paint on the wheels, so they've come up alright, and painted up the arms. I'll just show you this. I needed to make up another bracket just so that the bucket would hold on, so I've just riveted that on and spray painted it black, so that should do the job. Now to put it all together. So I've just put the cabin and the top plate on here. The rubber exhaust pipe is in. Now I don't know whether you want to have a look at these. This is like the windshield windows. It's just a really crazed plastic, and I don't know how to fix it. What I've done is I've just glued it up because it's a bit cracked, so that's just super glue. But if anybody knows how to bring them up nicely without buying new ones, then feel free to drop it in the comments, so that I've got a couple more of these to do, so it'd be good if we could clean those up. I don't know whether they can or not. It's very brittle, and it's a crazed plastic. So look, I just tried wiping it with some thinners, and it sort of took out a little bit of the roughness, but you still can't see through it. So, and this one's the worst, but I just glued it up as well. So here we go, here's the finished Tonka truck. I've put it all back together, given it a bit of a spray paint and a clean, and here's what it's come up like. So it wheels a lot better now, and the crane goes up and down, and I've had to repair the bucket, so at least that's on now and attached. So this swivels around nicely and operates really well. So there you go, that's for my grandson, so he should be happy with that.